All right, sorry about that. My mic was muted. All right, so let's go ahead and start looking at the SPY here. I'm going to try to make these videos a little bit quicker. Okay, so you can browse through them a bit quicker and get the information that you need. So the SPY here, we ended up on a indecision doji candle. You can see we still have red volume. So kind of see which way it goes tomorrow. Momentum again is still to the downside with red volume, and we're gonna see if we could which direction we pick tomorrow. But if you look here on the 1 hour, we are building this kind of wedge flag formation here, and we'll just see if we can crack out of this downtrend, or we're gonna crack to the downside. So we'll see. Maybe pre-market will, will come down and then break up, or we can just go like this way until we pick a direction where we're gonna go. So keep an eye on SPY and see which way we fire tomorrow. We're building a squeeze in the 1 hour right here, so keep an eye on SPY and see which way the momentum squeeze fires. So on watch SPY tomorrow. Let's go to the Q, see how those are looking today. Okay, again, momentum continues to the downside. Look, red days for the past couple of days here. We ended up at doji yesterday. Today, you could see momentum to the downside, red volume. We didn't close on a flat top. There's a little wick there, but we did almost break, or we did break previous daily low there. And if we go on the hourly, let's see what we can expect tomorrow here on the hourly. So kind of like SPY, we're in this coil. We're coiling. It is forming a squeeze as well, so keep that on watch. We're gonna fire one way or the other. All right, we might hit a here and come down, or we just might break through and have a big day tomorrow to the upside. We'll see which way we go. We have basically indecision candles SPY and Q, so you have to keep an eye and see which way we're gonna break out. On the VIX, so make sure you always watch the VIX to take, if you're trading the SPY, or even any ticker that is in the SPY. Look at this nice indecision candle, momentum still to the upside. So wait to see which way it breaks, to the upside or to the downside. And we go to the 1 hour. Yeah, so look at this, guys. We broke trend. We're coming back to test it. A lot of times what happens is whenever we break a trend, we'll come back, test the trend, right? And then we'll fire to the, oh my gosh, we'll fire to the long side. So watch the VIX. If the VIX fires long, the SPY is gonna fire to the short side. So watching this closely tomorrow. You don't want the VIX breaking this resistance, and I'm gonna put an alert here. If it breaks, we're definitely playing puts on the SPY. Okay, if we break that resistance right there, that's crucial. We're definitely gonna get some puts on the SPY, because next resistance we can go all the way to this 34.83, 35 area. And I do have a, let's move it over here. That is our next resistance that we can go to. So watch VIX carefully tomorrow, so you can play a SPY accordingly. Something to watch tomorrow: Apple high grade earnings today. Okay, indecision candle. But I think we had a pop after hours. Anyways, Apple, I've been keeping a real close eye on Apple because I wanted to get some in this area right here, 152. All right, for long term, or even in this area. Let me move my alert a little bit higher. Okay, if you like Apple long term, this would be great areas to dip by. Or you can always wait for confirmation doji candle and then uptrend. So keep an eye on Apple. Had great earnings, and we took off after hours, and then it looks like it gave it back. So we're keeping that on watch tomorrow. Look at this downtrend. Okay, if we can break it, our potential target is right here, 173. If we break above on Apple, we need to break this resistance line. And Netflix did really well today. I don't know if anybody traded Netflix, but Netflix, we had this resistance here on the 1 hour, okay, that we needed to break, and as soon as we broke it, we traded very nicely here on Netflix. And I know it's hard to see it there, but if you go to the 5 minute, okay, a lot of trading opportunities right here and right here on Netflix. 2 big run-ups, okay, would have made a lot of profit there. So Netflix is still on watch for tomorrow, and we can get above the 393 area, then we have some room to run closer to the $400 area. Now, even though SPY was going down today, Netflix was staying in a real nice range here and not selling off. So keep Netflix on watch. FedEx is another one, okay, that did fairly well today. Let's see. Yeah, no, it gave it had a run up, but after that big dump here in the morning, I thought it had done better. The one that did well was Team. Oh, okay, it had earnings. Okay, so keep Team on watch as well. Affirm is something that you may want to watch tomorrow. Let's watch Affirm. Yeah, so Affirm in the 1 hour is on this flag pattern right here. So watch if it breaks to the upside or to the downside, and you can trade that accordingly. Oh no, that's the 5 minute. There's the 1 hour. So the 1 hour, we came in and bounced at the support area. What did we close at? Yeah, so you see that, you see this doji candle. This is what I always preach on this channel. See that doji candle right there? Hey, you play the break of the upside or the break of the downside. In this case, we broke to the downside and came to the support where I had target right here. It didn't quite hit it, but we're very close, and we bounced off of it. So the reason I'm keeping an eye on it, because this is a real strong support here, and we could rally off this bounce right here, kind of like what we did here. So keep that on watch for the next few days. And plus, we have real nice downtrend here on Affirm. If we can break it, keep an eye on that. It is a flat top though after this doji candle, so we can continue. But I'm keeping an eye on this area to see if we can hold and potentially add here on this dip. All right, Microsoft, after coming to this real nice dip here, yeah, we've been bouncing today. We kind of went sideways on Microsoft, not really, but we do have a flat bottom, but we do have red volume. So if anything, Microsoft can come as room to run to about this 312. All right, before we can A rejects and maybe make a down. This is Amazon. Let's look at the weekly, see how low we can go. So yeah, breaking that. Got a nice green volume here. Yeah, we would know this candle would need to hold up above this support area. So next week, let's see if we can, you know, stay up here and then bounce off. Let's see how we do today. Amazon just kind of went sideways. Okay, it's been going sideways in the last couple of days, so keep that one on watch. Lulu has this real nice downtrend here on the 1 hour. We can, once we break above, we have some room to run. See what the daily ended at. Yeah, so we're coming off this support area here on Lulu that we have here. So all these stocks are coming near that support area. So when all these stocks like Netflix, Microsoft, where's Microsoft? Yeah, we already hit that support area. When we all get down to those levels, NVDA, yeah, to those, see how we're all really close to those nights of support levels on the daily and even on the weekly. That's when I think the market's gonna start to recover. So been watching and been talking about this for some time now, since this momentum has been going down, that these are potential targets where the market can recover, or we can get a bounce. All right, so we're getting pretty close to them. So maybe in the next week or so, we'll start to bounce off, and you know, the market can start recovering to the upside. So keep that on watch. Again, just keeping it simple today. So tomorrow I'm watching Apple for sure. I'm gonna watch Netflix for sure. It's on my watch list, and the SPY and the QQQs. You saw those flags formation that they're put in, and you have a squeeze forming on the 1 hour. So keep that on watch, see which way it goes, and then you play the break. And all right, have a good night, guys. Hope you are enjoying the videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with your family and friends so they can learn as well. Thank you so much for joining and for watching the video. I'll see you guys mañana. Adios.